Ever wondered what makes the perfect internship for an aspiring product manager? Is it diving into the hustle of a fast-paced startup or navigating the structured pathways of a well-established enterprise? Now, both offer unique learning experiences, but which one is right for you? Let's break that down. I'm Adrian, a business manager at LinkedIn. Choosing an internship can feel like picking a lane in a race. But what if you could benefit from both? Here is why a combination of a startup and an enterprise is the ultimate learning combination. Let's picture this: an internship at a large enterprise. Products are in their mature stage, processes are defined, and teams are large. Here, products have passed the test of time, they are established, and are operating at a massive scale, impacting millions of customers. What's the benefit for you? So, learning about systems and processes that have matured over the years, witnessing how product strategies evolve at scale, and getting a front row seat to the intricate operations of a large-scale, cross-functional team. It's about precision, process, and pushing the boundaries of an already successful product. So let's flip the script to the startup scene. The startup universe is less about scale, it's more about the hustle. Here it's about building products from scratch, sometimes even defining what the product strategy should be. You're not just a cog, you're a key player in a team that's crafting the product's first breath. It's a hands-on experience. You have opportunities to wear multiple hats, work closely with the founding team, and truly shape the product's direction. It's chaotic, but it's in this chaos that you truly find the raw, uncut gem of entrepreneurial spirit. This is where you learn resilience, agility, and the true essence of innovation on the fly. So what you didn't have to choose. Imagine blending these two worlds, harnessing the agility and innovation of a startup and the strategic depth and scale of an enterprise. Now that's a formidable combination for any product manager. So this is where HSB steps in. Their specialized MBA in product management, coupled with their dual internship that connects you with both startups and enterprises, is the perfect launchpad that offers a holistic, hands-on experience and prepares you for the multifaceted challenges of a product management course. Because product management is not about learning in the classroom, it's about applying it in the real world. You will gain strategic thinking of an enterprise leader and the entrepreneurial mindset and hustle of a startup founder. Remember, whether it's bringing a new product to life in a startup or managing a global product line in an enterprise, it's these experiences that forge you into a versatile and dynamic product leader.